Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful and very easy snowflake. This is a perfect beginner friendly pattern and a lovely idea for Christmas decorations. Let's get started. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3.5mm crochet hook to make this today. Let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then chain 5, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we will go ahead and work a double crochet into the same magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Then chain 2 and work another double crochet into the magic ring. Again chain 2 and work another double crochet into the magic ring. And chain 2, again work another double crochet into the magic ring, chain 2, a double crochet into the magic ring, and again chain 2. And then I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that, work a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the starting point to join the round. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain. So insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round, and this is what it looks like. And to start with the second round, we need to move the loop into the chain 2 space here. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that slip stitch, we move the loop into the chain 2 space. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be considered as the first double crochet of the round. And then work another 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2 and go into the next chain 2 space here and work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 2 and repeat the pattern. Work 4 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 2 and work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 2, 4 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 2 and work 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again chain 2 and work a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the starting point of the round. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain. So insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our second round as well. And then start with the third round. There I'm going to go into the next stitch here and work a slip stitch. Again, go into the next stitch and work another slip stitch. Again, go into the next stitch here and work another slip stitch. So we moved the loop into the stitch on top of the double crochet here. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then go into the chain 2 space here and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And work another slip stitch into the same chain 2 space. Now chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and work a slip stitch into the same chain 2 space. Again, chain 5 and work a slip stitch into the same chain 2 space. Again, chain 3 and go into the stitch on top of the next double crochet here and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the stitch. And this is what we are going to repeat all around. So first of all, I'm going to work one slip stitch into each one of the next 3 stitches, one slip stitch into the next stitch, one slip stitch into the next stitch and one slip stitch into the next stitch. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 5 and another slip stitch into the same chain 2 space, chain 7 and a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, chain 5 and a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Again, chain 3 and a slip stitch on top of the next double crochet here. Again, one slip stitch into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 3 and a slip stitch, chain 5 and a slip stitch, chain 7 and a slip stitch, again chain 5 and a slip stitch, chain 3 and a slip stitch on top of the double crochet. We will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round and this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round here. With that, we have completed the round. Chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm gonna cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle just to hide the tail. And this is what the final project will look like. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful and simple snowflake. If you try it, please share your photos in FB with me, and I love seeing all your creations. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials. Happy crocheting and Merry Christmas!